Hey guys, it's Noah Lauren here, and this is not an unboxing video as it says on the channel. It's just a showcase of my new air hogs. My new, not really new actually, it's really old and starting to not work. Hang on. And here it is. And this is the remote for it. And that's... Oh, flying through the camera. Hang on, guys. Let's watch this. I'm so brave. Ah! Oh! Oh! This is working much. This works much better in my room. Let's sit on the chair. Right there. Oh. Not working, stupid helicopter. Whoa. Whoa, that's working. Never mind. It fell on the freaking ground. It fell on the freaking ground with freaking laser beams. Okay. I'm gonna throw it in the air. And then. What? Whoa! 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 Epic! Ah! Ah! Get out! No, it still works. Whoa, it I like it how it bounced off the stool. I like it how it bounced off the stool like this. Like that. Set it on here again. Hopefully it doesn't go to you guys. Oh. Didn't go to you, but it went near you and on the armrest. Oh man, this is so right. You know what? I'm gonna go in my room with this now. I'm gonna turn this off. Turn this off. Okay, let's go in my room now. Okay, guys, now we're in my room. Teleported. Okay, let's just rest it on the PS3 screen, and then put this on my bed. Put it right here. Don't wreck the pillow. Even though those are old sheets, don't wreck the pillow. Ugh, you guys can't see it, but let's just try. Oh yeah, freaking laser beams won't work. There you go, it's on now. Okay. Oh, whoa! Did you just see that, guys? Comment down below. Yeah, that's fine. It's on my poster that keeps falling off every single night. Freaking laser beams. Ah! Don't go near me! Whoa! What? Congratulations, it just fell on my blanket, which is not on my bed. Perfect. Freaking laser beams. What we need is sharks with freaking laser beams on top of their head. This is freaking laser beams. Work now. Oh, I like how it does that. Look at the blanket. It's just vibrating. Hey, maybe we should go to the park with this. I'll bring my tablet and record this. This is so much fun. Whoa, whoa, don't! I hate it. Their hogs is starting to work now. Oh, not that much. Yeah, wow, you're amazing, gymnast. Now that I gave you a name, it's like you love me. Well, okay, not that much. Maybe not that much. Okay, let's just... there's a charger annoying me right now. Come on. What we need is sharks. Let's keep it like that. We're raining with sharks. down here. Oh, it's destroying the blanket! Hello? Hey, work? Hey, working. Thingy, I thought you were working. I shut you off. I shut you off. Freaking laser beams won't work. Yep. Oh my god, it just turned off! There we go. I think this needs charging. Whoa, it almost hit the ceiling. That was so high. Okay, I'm gonna charge this thing. Okay, I'll resume the movie when it's charged, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, Noah Lauren here, and this is not really an unboxing video, but I'm gonna show this Air Hogs Steelback helicopter. I almost said helicarrier. Well, that's in Marvel. This is not Marvel. This is real life. This is not DC either. It's not the Batcave. Win me. This is like $30. No, wait, no. Oh, you got this so freaking wrong. I know I look ridiculous when my nose pops out. It's just that this thing is too small. It barely even sounds like Batman when number 1 is Batman. Okay. So I'm going now. Have fun. Take this. No, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna walk with it. Okay. Bye! I'm not gonna end the video, but I'm just gonna walk. What just happened? It was me. Don't want to end this video here. I don't want to end this video here because I just want more of a subscriber. I only have 2. It's gonna be happening. I'm gonna get revenge. Whoa! Fist bump.